Hello farmers, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to share with you the shocking truth about why your chickens sometimes lay those very tiny eggs that surprise and can confuse many poultry farmers. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you will not only know the causes but also how to prevent it from happening too often. So now let's look at this. Here is a normal sized egg and here is a tiny egg. But what exactly causes them? Let's break it down. What are the causes of tiny eggs in poultry farm? Number one is stress. Stress is another big reason. Loud noises, predator scares, heat stress, or even sudden changes in their environment can interrupt the normal egg formulation process, leading to unusual small eggs. Another thing is reproductive system issues. Sometimes the hen's body mistakenly releases an egg without a yolk. The shell gets formed around it and boom, you have a tiny egg. Another thing is poor nutrition. If your chickens are not eating a balanced feed rich in protein, calcium, and vitamins, you may start noticing irregular eggs, small, weak-shelled, or even misshapen egg. Another thing is diseases. Certain poultry diseases like infectious bronchitis directly affect the hen's reproductive system. One of the symptoms is laying abnormal or tiny eggs. So if you have watched to this very point and you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe and join the great family as we continue to bring poultry farming tips. Another thing to look at is old layers. Sometimes older hens near the end of their laying cycle produce eggs that are smaller and inconsistent in size. So now, what will you do as a farmer, or what farmers should do? If you have been experiencing this in your poultry farm, please don't panic. If you see one or two tiny eggs, it's normal once in a while. Yes, once in a while it is normal. Always provide a balanced layer feed with enough calcium and protein. Another thing that you need to do is reduce stress by keeping your bed safe and comfortable. Always keep your beds safe and comfortable. So, another thing that you need to do is to watch out for the signs of diseases. And if small eggs become frequent, consult a vet. You know, as a farmer, whenever you are seeing these tiny eggs, it's just like you counting losses, because no one will not be able to sell these tiny eggs. All what you need to do is to consult a vet. That's if you are having them too frequent and is always more than maybe one or two, and once, it should be once in a while, not just frequently, that you are packing this type of eggs. This type of eggs is a loss to every farmer. So I have so many videos on my channel. If you're out there, maybe you want to start your own poultry farm and you don't know where to start from, I have so many videos on how you can start your own poultry farm from scratch. And I have so many videos on how to make your own chicken feed. Yes, I have my own video. I have my own feed formula for layer chickens. Even for broiler chickens, I have them on my channel. So farmers, the shocking truth is this: tiny eggs are usually a natural part of poultry farming, but when they become frequent, it is a red flag. You can go through the channel and watch my videos on how you can start your own poultry farm, as I earlier said. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like and share, so that it will get to other farmers or those that want to start poultry farming. Bye.